Hello kids, welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, as you all know, we always start our class with etiquette. So etiquette of this week is turn off the tap when not in use. Kids, as you know, water is very precious for us, so we should not waste it. You should always turn off the tap when not in use. And second etiquette, switch off the fan light when not in use. Children, you should always switch off the fan and light when not in use. So I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Children, our first question is, which is our national food? Tell me, which is our national food? Khichdi. Very good. Our national food is khichdi. Repeat after me. Our national food is khichdi. Next question. Which is our national animal? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Good. Our national animal is tiger. Repeat after me. Our national animal is tiger. Okay. Now let's move to sight word. Children, tell me, which sight word can you see on screen? Put. Which sight word is written here? Put. Repeat after me. Put. Now let's move to our next topic. Today we will revise long E sound. Now look at screen. Tell me, what is the name of this letter? E. Tell me, what is the sound of letter E? A. Children, sound of letter E is A. Tell me, if we add another E to it, what sound do we get? Tell me. So its sound changes. When we add another E to it, we get the long E sound. Children, we put another E with it, so the sound becomes long E. Children, after adding another E to it, we get the long E sound E. Sound of one E is called A. When we add one more E with it, we get the long E sound E. Children, tell me, name of any 5 words in which words we get the long E sound. Meat. Eat. Meat. Now next. Seam. Seam. Next. Deep. Deep. Next. Need. Need. Next. Peak. Children, I hope you all have understood long E sound. Now let's move on to our main topic. Children, in our previous classes we all have learned how to convert Hindi names without matra into English. So I hope everyone knows very well. But today we will learn how to convert Hindi names of a matra into English. Now let's see how to convert. Look at screen. Children, here is written R. And now look at here. Here is written Ra. Children, tell me, what is the difference between these two Ra? Yes. Here you cannot see a matra with Ra, but here you can see a matra with Ra. Now look at here. Ra. Tell me, for Ra, what you will write in English? R. R says R. R says R, not Ra. Children, but you have to write Ra. Here we are also getting a sound with Ra. Children, if we write only R, then we get half sound R, not Ra. Tell me, for writing whole sound, what you will do? Children, for writing whole Ra, we will join A with R. Children, when we join A with R, then you can read this sound ra, R-A, ra. Now look at this one. Here is written ra. Here you can see a matra with ra. Tell me, for ra what you will write in English? R says r. Now we will write here R. Children, here you can see a matra. For a matra what you will write in English? A. For a matra we will write A. R-A, ra. Children, we will write the same with ra also. Here you will not make double A with R. You will write same with ra as well. Children, you will not put double A if a matra has with letter. R-A, ra. Now look at the screen. Read this name. What is written here? Ma, la, mala. Children, tell me how you will convert this name into English. Now look at first letter. First letter is ma. For ma what you will write in English? M. M says but here you can see a matra with ma. For a matra what you will write in English? A. Now we will add A with M. M-A, ma. Look at next letter. Next letter is la. Children, for la what you will write in English? L says L. Not la. Children, here is also a matra with la. For a matra what you will write in English? A. Great. So now we will join A with L. When we join A with L, then you can read this sound la. L-A, la. Now which name is written here? Ma, la, mala. Now look at this name. Read this name. La, ta, lata. Children, tell me how you will convert this name into English. Now look at first letter. Tell me first letter is la. For la what you will write in English? L says L, not la. Children, here we are also getting a sound with la. Here I have written L. Children, if we write only L, then we get half sound L, not la. Children, for converting Hindi la into English, we need to add A with L. L-A, la. Look at next letter. Ta. Ta. For ta what you will write in English? T says T. T says T. Children, we will write here T. But here has given a matra with ta. For a matra what you will write in English? A. Now we will join A with T. T-A, ta. La, ta. Children, here you will not make double A. Read this name. La, ta, lata. See this name. Now read this name. Ra, ja, raja. Tell me how you will change this name into English. Look at first letter. First letter is ra. For ra what you will write in English? R says r, not ra. But here is a matra with ra. For a matra what you will write in English? A. Now we will join A with R. R-E, ra. Now next letter is ja. For ja what you will write in English? J says ja. J says ja, not ja. Children, you have to write ja. Children, for a matra what you will write? A. Now we will add A with J. J-A, ja. Raja. Which name is written here? Raja. Children, I hope you all have understood how to convert Hindi names of A Matra into English. Now let's do some practice. What you have to do in this work? Circle the correct word. Children, here are two words are given in front of each picture, out of which you have to circle the correct word. Look at first picture. What can you see in this picture? Feet. Tell me what is the correct spelling of feet? Tell me which one is correct? First, F-E-E-T, feet. This is the correct spelling of the feet. So we will circle this spelling. Children, in this way you will complete this work yourself. Now it's time for homework. What you will do in this work? Look at the pictures and write their name. This is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much for attending the online class. Have a great day. Bye bye children.